All right, George Evie Sports Cards here. We're doing another briefcase, guys. PYT number 31, Flawless Soccer. Good luck, good luck. A little fat. All right, guys. Good luck. First card up. Let's get this camera level here. First card up we got for Italy. Christian Vieri, 12 of 15 for Italy. Bobo, 12 of 15. Italy in this one is Garrett, Zon 27. 12 of 15. Next, we got for Germany. Nice. Marco Reus. Marco Reus for Germany, 6 of 25. 6 of 25. Nice one coming up next. One of the main reasons I'm going to have to raise the price up on this team right here. How about 1 of 22 dual patch autograph Harry Kane? 1 of 22 dual patch autograph Harry Kane. As for England, England, that is Zinger. Grad Zinger. Zinger. Next, another nice one here for Brazil. 2 of 5, Willian. 2 of 5 for Brazil. Brazil in this one is Michael. That's one there, Emerald. 2 of 5. Next, we got 9 of 10 for Serbia. Serbia. There you go, Garrett. Branislav Ivanovic. Dual patch autograph to 10. 9 of 10. Nice one there. $15 team coming through. Next up, we got 11 of 20 for Germany. Miroslav Klose. 11 of 20. That is jersey number. Klose for Germany. That is Zinger. Congrats, Zinger, man. Jersey number, eBay 101. 11 of 20. Nice briefcase so far. Next, we got dual patch for Switzerland. Fabian Schär. 9 of 20. 9 of 20. Switzerland, one of the last teams taken there. Diego, 9 of 20. No part of the sheet that is. All right, going on the inside. Good luck. First up, we got For España, nice. Gerard Piqué, 6 of 20. 6 of 20. There you go, Rob. Rob on the board. 6 of 20. Gerard Piqué. Next, we got for France. Nice. Giroud. 5 of 15 for France. 5 of 15. France in this one. That is Uansio. France. Giroud. And last hits of the briefcase is number to 25. Nice one. 6 of 25. Pele. Brazil, Brazil, Brazil. 6 of 25. That is for Michael. There you go, Michael, man. Congrats, congrats. I haven't seen Pele in a little bit. All right, guys. Appreciate it again. 32 is in the store.